So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 6 of your class 6 English grammar, that is adjectives and kinds. So let's begin with this lesson. Adjectives क्या होते हैं? They are the describing words used for a noun and add the meaning of a noun or pronoun. ये क्या होता है, किसके लिए यूज होता है? नाउन के लिए यूज होता है और क्या करता है? मीनिंग ऐड करता है आपके नाउन में या फिर pronoun में. In other words, words used with a noun to describe its kind, place, number, etc. उसकी kind को, उसके place को, उसके number को describe करने के लिए जो use होता है, that are adjectives. Are called adjective. The word adjective means added to. उसका मतलब ही होता है कि किसी पे add करना. So like read this passage carefully. The word boy is a noun. We can have a tall boy, an intelligent boy, a rich boy, a polite boy, a sincere boy, a lazy boy, an honest boy, a good boy, etc. In the above expression, the word tall, intelligent, rich, polite, safe, lazy, honest, good describe the noun boy. Boy है, आपको उसको ही describe कर रहा है, तो ये सारे आपके क्या हो गए? Adjectives हो गए. All these words are adjectives. An adjective is a describing word. So now look at these expressions. Some food, several questions, 2 girls, 8 exercises, this, 3 which building, my father. In the above expression, the word some, several, 2, 8, this, which and my are also adjectives. ये क्या है? Adjectives होते हैं. When we use adjectives with nouns, जब हम use करते हैं adjectives को nouns के साथ, they make the pronouns precise. ये क्या बनाते हैं? Pronouns को precise बना देते हैं. They also make our language beautiful. हमारे language को beautiful भी बनाते हैं. But we should be careful in choosing the adjective we use. हम careful होने चाहिए जिस adjectives को हम use कर रहे हैं उससे. We should clearly know what we want to say. हमें clearly पता होना चाहिए कि हम क्या कहना चाहते हैं about person or thing and choose the adjectives accordingly. Now let's talk about kinds of adjectives. Adjectives can be of 8 kinds. 8 kinds के हो सकते हैं. Adjective हो गया quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative and possessive and distributive and emphatic. These are your kinds of adjectives. Now let's talk about adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. This type of adjectives describe a noun by telling us something about its quality or characteristic. एक noun को describe करते हैं उसकी quality या उसकी characteristic बता के. They answer the questions of what kind, किस तरह के. मुंबई is a large city. Large क्या हो गया आपका? Adjective है. Adjective of quality, honest. He is an honest policeman. It is also the adjective of quality. The foolish donkey tried to sing. जो foolish हो गया आपका क्या हो गया? Adjective of quality हो गया. Describe कर रहा है ना. So now let's talk about adjective of quantity. Numbers. So this type of adjective tell us how much or how many of something there is. कितने और कितनी और मतलब how much और how many कोई चीज है मतलब कोई something there is. So it gives information about the quantity or amount of a noun. कि कितनी quantity है कितना amount है एक noun का. So they answer the question how much. Like I ate some rice. Some क्या हो गया आपका? Adjective of quality. You have no sense. No sense क्या? Adjective of quantity. Sorry. She lost all her wealth. सारी wealth खो दी उसने अपनी. all हो गया आपका adjective of quantity. Now adjective of number or numerical adjective. This type of adjective tell us how many or how much or something there is. how many मतलब कितनी कोई चीज है. So like they numbers को बताता है. They help us describe noun by giving us more precise information about quantity or order. They answer the question how many. Same. Most boys like cricket. Here are some delicious mangoes. Sunday is the first day. Again numeral adjective हो गया ना आपका. So there are no pictures in this book. Now adjective of number are of 3 kinds. 3 kinds की होती है. Definite numeral adjective tell us the exact number of person or thing. ये क्या बताता है? exact number बता दे किसका? person का या किसी चीज का. They are of 2 kinds. 2 kinds की होता है. Cardinal state the number of person or thing. For example 20 boys 15 years. Ordinal gives the orders of person or thing in a series. For example first man on the moon last month of the year. ये क्या है आपके? Ordinal है और ये आपकी cardinal है. So a cardinal number denotes how many. और एन ऑर्डिनल नंबर शोज ऑर्डर ऑफ अ थिंग, एक ऑर्डर दिखाता है किसी चीज का सीरीज में. Indefinite numeral adjectives do not indicate the exact number. क्या indicate नहीं करते? exact number indicate नहीं करते. Few children, many people. इसमें exact number नहीं आया ना. Distribute numeral adjective refers to each one of a number. Like either method is correct. Each girl, हर किसी रेफर कर रहा है ना. Each girl must take her turn. Every person, हर किसी से रेफर कर रहा है. Neither table. So every, neither, each, ये क्या है आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. Now let's talk about demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective assist us in highlighting or identifying specific noun. क्या करता है? असिस्ट करता है हाईलाइट करने में और आइडेंटिफाई करने में स्पेसिफिक नाउन्स को, people, places और things. In English we use 4 demonstrative adjectives. English में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? 4 demonstrative adjectives यूज करते हैं. Like this, that, these, those. ये क्या हमारे 4 demonstrative adjectives हैं. Like those trees are planted by those trees were planted by my grandfather. This book is more interesting than that. Here interrogative adjectives क्या होता है? जिसमें क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. This type of adjective is used to ask question about a noun, person, place or thing or idea. किसी noun, person, place और thing और idea के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. It helps us to get more information about the noun. Like which man brought these fans? कौन सा man क्या लाया है? Fans लाया है. Whose chair is this? ये किसकी chair है? Possessive adjectives क्या होते हैं? This type of adjectives show ownership or possession. ये क्या show करते हैं? Ownership दिखाते हैं या फिर possession दिखाते हैं. They tell us who something belongs to, कि ये किसकी चीज है. Like टीना's पेन, टीना का पेन है तो टीना's हो गया ना, तो टीना की ओनरशिप दिखा रही है. Like the team victory was a result of their hard work and dedication. There आ गया ना. His sisters painting won first place in the art competition. Sisters आगे क्या है? Possessive adjective. Now distributive adjectives क्या होते हैं? This type of adjective describes individual item or person rather than group of things or people. Individual item या person का group दिखाते हैं, things का या people का. It assists us in understanding how something is divided or shared. Assist करते हैं हमें समझाने में कि कोई क्या चीज divide हुई है, share हुई है. These are each, every, either, neither. ये क्या होता है? Each हो गया, every हो गया, either और neither. These adjective refers to each of a number. किससे refer करते हैं? Each number से refer करते हैं. Example, there lie vast fields on either sides of the road. Vast fields है roads के side में. Either side पे क्या है आपकी? Either this or that. तो ये क्या हो गया? Distributive adjectives हो गए ना. Empathetic. These are own and very. ये क्या होता है? Own होते हैं या फिर very होते हैं. These are used to emphasize a particular object. एक particular object को emphasize करने के लिए यूज होते हैं. One should do one's own duty. एक को अपनी खुद की ड्यूटी करनी चाहिए. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.